Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 77 K10. Runs nice. You can hear the radio. Oil pressure gauge. Right hand fuel gauge doesn't read correct. Let's see what the left hand does. Left hand got an eighth of a tank in it. There's your wipers. Horn does not work, and dome light does not work, so we need to get them looked at. The air is here, but doesn't have a belt on it. To be honest, it can't be with its setup right now. It has the wrong pulley. There's no pulley to line it up with. So air's here, but is in on. So power steering, power brakes. Nice sounding exhaust. There you can see all the lights work. So, the air conditioning may need some work as far as a pulley system. I think everywhere it's complete otherwise, so I'll have to, oh, there is a third pulley down there. I just don't on the crank, but there isn't on the water pump. So I'll have to see if I can figure out what that means. But as right now I'm selling it air in on. So 605-695-7391.